Bellboxes!
Hi, everybody! Today, me and Simba are gonna teach you how to catch a mouse. But there is just one tiny problem. I have no idea where Simba might be. He went out this morning and I've been waiting for him for 2 hours. Oh, there he comes. Simba, are you ready for the mouse catching lesson?
No.
Why not?
I feel terrible. Terrible.
Oh.
I'm so tired and cold. It was so hard to walk all the way home.
Wow.
Oh, George, I think I'm sick. I wish someone could take care of me now. Oh, I feel so bad. I've got a terrible headache.
I haven't seen you like this before.
Well, I've never felt like this before. I need to go back to bed.
Simba, do you need anything?
Yeah, I need some water. Would you be so nice?
Yeah. Here you go, Simba. I'll leave it here. Anything else?
No, I don't think so.
Okay then.
Yeah, I need another blanket. I'm cold.
Okay. You just call me if you need anything.
Okay, thank you, George.
Wow! I think he is really sick. The mouse catching thing is cancelled today. I cannot do it without Simba, so it will be...
Don't take him there, start him.
It's Simba. I better go to him. I'm coming, Simba.
No, don't do this. I'm
Are you okay, Simba? Simba?
So I'm a lion and so
Simba, what's going on? Oh my God, Simba! I cannot wake him up. Wow, he is really warm. Simba!
I'm not a cat. Feeling so
Maybe this is serious. Oh, I'm so worried now. I'm gonna call the doctor. I don't want Simba to die.
Is that thing so feeling?
Hello? Is it the doctor? Yeah, can you come, please? My friend is really sick. Yeah, thank you. It's gonna be alright, Simba. The doctor is on the way. Oh, I think she's already here.
Good day. Are you George?
Yes, I'm George. I'm so glad to see you.
I better take a look at your friend now.
Yeah, follow me. Simba, the doctor is here.
Oh, poor little thing. This is strange.
What? What?
His heartbeat.
Yeah?
His heart sounds like a heart of a lion.
Really? You mean that Simba has got a lion's heart?
It seems like it. But of course that can't be. He's a cat. But it's good that you called me. He is really sick. He's gonna need an injection.
Don't like us up.
Oh, he didn't even wake up.
You have to watch over him. And call me again if he gets worse.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. I'm gonna sleep by your side tonight, Simba. Good night. Hang in there, my friend.
George? Why are you sleeping in my bed?
Oh, Simba, you feel better. You were so sick last night.
Was I?
Yeah? Don't you remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. I had some headache. But I feel much better now. I'm hungry.
Well, it's always good to have a happy ending, right? Thanks for watching, Bellboxes. And please, give us thumbs up. Bye!
Bellboxes!